What if I told you that most people don't struggle with money because they earn too little, but because they were never taught how money actually works? Every day, people wake up, go to work, earn salaries, pay bills, take loans, use credit cards, invest randomly, yet still feel stressed, confused, and insecure about money. Not because they're lazy, not because they're careless, but because financial education is missing. And today we're going to talk about why financial education truly matters, why most people struggle with money, and how this gap silently controls lives. Welcome to FinEdge. It is a complete finance knowledge journey, designed to take you from absolute beginner to financial expert. No jargon overload, no fake promises, no shortcuts. Just clear concepts, real-life examples, and structured learning, exactly how finance should be taught. Let's begin our journey of understanding why financial education truly matters. Rather than rushing through random topics, we'll break this journey into clear sections, each one building on the last. We'll start by understanding the structure of this series and the video contents ahead, so you know exactly what to expect and how each part fits together. Now, with that clarity in place, let's commence the journey with Section 1, the global financial reality. Let's start with a hard fact. Across the world, a large percentage of people live paycheck to paycheck. Most households have little to no emergency savings. Debt is growing faster than income. Financial stress is one of the top causes of anxiety and family conflict. Yet, people are more educated than ever. Degrees, certifications, skills. So what's missing? The problem is not education. The problem is what we are educated about. Schools teach us mathematics, science, history, but not budgeting, debt management, investing, cash flow, risk. Money is a life skill, yet it's rarely taught as one. Section 2. Why financial education is ignored. Most people learn about money in 3 ways: trial and error, family habits, social media tips. All 3 are unreliable. If parents struggled financially, those habits get passed down. If friends take bad loans, it looks normal. If social media promises quick wealth, people chase shortcuts. And here's the dangerous part. People confuse income with financial security. A person earning 30,000 rupees may save and invest wisely. Another earning 150,000 rupees may live in debt. Money problems are rarely about income level. They are about financial behavior and understanding. Section 3. Real-life example, the salary trap. Let me tell you a real-life scenario. Meet 2 people. Person: salary increases every year, upgrades lifestyle with every raise. Uses credit cards for comfort, no emergency fund, no investments. Person B, moderate income, tracks expenses, builds emergency savings, invests consistently, understands risk. After 10 years, Person B is financially calmer, more secure, and flexible. Person A is stressed, dependent on salary, and afraid of losing the job. Same economy, same opportunities, but different financial education. Section 4. Why most people struggle with money. Most people struggle because they were never taught these fundamentals. 1. Cash flow management. People focus on earning more, but ignore where money goes. 2. Good debt versus bad debt. Loans are seen as normal, not strategic. 3. Risk versus reward. People either avoid investing completely or gamble blindly. 4. Time value of money. They underestimate how small decisions compound over time. Here's a powerful truth. It's not how much money you make, but how much you keep and grow. Without financial education, money controls decisions, fear controls investments, stress controls life choices. Section 5. The cost of financial illiteracy. The cost of poor financial education is invisible, but massive. It shows up as stress and anxiety, career decisions based on salary alone, staying stuck in jobs you hate, family conflicts over money, poor retirement planning. People don't fail financially overnight. They fail slowly, through small uninformed decisions. This is why financial education matters. Not to get rich fast, but to stay in control. Section 6. What financial education really means. Financial education is not stock tips, get-rich-quick ideas, chasing the next big opportunity. Real financial education means understanding income and expenses, assets and liabilities, risk and return, long-term thinking, decision-making frameworks. As the famous quote says, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When you understand money, you make calmer decisions. You avoid emotional mistakes. You plan long-term. You build systems, not hopes. Section 7. The turning point. Here's the most important idea. Money is not complicated. It's just never taught properly. Once you learn the basics, our fear reduces, confidence grows, your decisions improve, and most importantly, you stop reacting to money and start directing it. This is where financial education changes lives. Before we talk about investing, before we talk about wealth, we must understand how money actually works. In the next video, we'll break down how money really works. Income, expenses, assets and liabilities. Because once you understand the system, money stops being confusing, and knowledge starts compounding. Finally, I would like to end this section by a quote. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. If you want to understand money, control your finances, build wealth intelligently, then subscribe, stay curious, and take control of your financial future, step by step. Keep learning, keep improving, and let your education work for you. Finance is a skill. Learn it once. Use it for life.